Hello everyone, I am Suchita Mori. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic Taylor's and Lorentz series. This is the topic of function of complex variable. We start with the Taylor's series. Taylor's theorem: if f of z is analytic inside the circle C with a center at z equal to A, then f of z equal to f of A plus z minus A into f dash of A plus z minus A whole square by 2 factorial f double dash of A and so on. We use here equation number 1. This is the expansion of Taylor's theorem. This Taylor's theorem contains the positive power of z minus of A. Now second is Lorentz series. If f of z is analytic in a region capital R bounded by two concentric circles, that means the circles whose center is same and radius is different. Therefore here we consider R1 and R2, which are the radius of the two circles. R1 is greater than R2 with center A. Then f of z is given by, for all z, its value is A naught plus A1 z minus of A plus A2 z minus of A whole square and so on. This is the first term. If we write down here bracket, then second bracket terms are B1 upon z minus of A plus B2 z minus of A whole square and so on. That means this Lorentz series contains the terms of z minus of A with positive powers as well as negative powers. If we write down this first bracket in terms of summation, then summation from n equal to 0 to infinity a n z minus of A to the power n. That means if we substitute n equal to 0, then we get first term of first bracket, then n equal to 1, we get a1 z minus of A in this way. Now for second bracket, we write down here n equal to 1 to infinity, then bn upon z minus of A to the power n. If we substitute n equal to 1, then we get this first term, then n equal to 2, we get second term. In this way, we get the terms. Now, here, this first part, we use equation number 2. This first part is called as analytic part and second term is called as principal part. Now, where value of an equal to 1 upon 2 pi I into integration over C1 f of t upon t minus of A to the power n plus 1 dt and bn equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integration over C2 t minus of A to the power n minus 1 f of t dt. This is the Lorentz series. Now we solve the problem on this. Find the Lorentz series expansion of the function f of z equal to 1 upon z minus 1 into z minus 2 in the region. Now here conditions are given: 1 less than mod of z less than 2. And second condition is 0 less than mod of z minus 1 less than 1. Now we solve this problem. Let us consider f of z value. F of z equal to 1 upon z minus 1 z minus 2. First step here, we resolve this given function in partial fraction form. Therefore, here 1 upon z minus 1, z minus 2, this value equal to a upon z minus 1 plus b upon z minus 2. Now we resolve this by partial fraction and find out the constant terms. For solving this, we taking LCM here. Z minus of 1 into z minus of 2. In numerator, a into z minus of 2 plus b into z minus of 1. Here we give here equation number 1, and left hand side of this term is f of z value. We write down here f of z term, and this denominator term get cancelled with this. We get the equation. This equation is 1 equal to a into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 1, which is equation number 2. Now we solve this and find out the constant value a and b. For this we put z equal to 1 in equation 2, and then we get the value of a equal to minus 1, and substitute z equal to 2, then we get the value of b equal to 1. We substitute this a and b value in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies f of z, that means 1 upon z minus 1 z into z minus 2, its value equal to a is minus 1 upon z minus 1 plus b into b is 1 upon z minus 2. If we write down here positive value first, that means z minus 2 minus of 1 upon z minus 1. Use here equation number 3. Now apply first condition and find out the Lorentz series. Here 1 less than mod of z less than 2. For this, we consider first inequality, that means 1 less than mod of z. And we forming this inequality less than 1 by dividing this inequality by mod of z. Therefore, this forming less than 1. Now consider next inequality, that means mod of z less than 2. If we divide by 2, then mod of z by 2, which is less than 1. That means in this equation 3, we forming 1 by z and z by 2 terms, and then we will get the required result. Now for this we consider the equation number 3. Therefore, equation number 3, f of z equal to 1 upon z minus 1 into z minus 2, is value equal to 1 upon z minus 2 minus 1 upon z minus 1. Now we forming here z by 2 by taking minus 2 common. Therefore here from first term we taking minus 2 common, then we get 1 minus z by 2. This is the important step. Now in second term we have to form 1 by z. Therefore we take z common and then forming 1 by z term. After that, we write down this bracket term in the numerator with negative index and expand by using binomial. That means we know that binomial expansion one minus of x to the power minus 1, its value is 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. If there is 1 minus of x, that means here negative power, negative value, then all terms are positive. If there is positive term, 1 plus x term to the power minus 1, then alternate plus minus sign. Now here we apply this binomial expansion and write down the last result. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 as it is, 1 minus of z by 2, therefore 1 plus z by 2 plus z by 2 whole square and so on. This is the expansion of first term. Now second term 1 by z as it is, then 1 plus 1 by z. This 1 by z consider as x and expander terms and so on. This is the required answer for first condition. Now, second condition is 0 less than mod of z minus 1 less than 2, 1. Now here already given this value less than 1. Therefore, complete series we have to find out in the form of z minus 1. Therefore, we consider f of z value 1 upon z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to 1 upon z minus 2 minus 1 upon z minus 1. Now here second term is already in terms of z minus 1. Therefore, we keep this value as it is and there is adjustment only in first term. That means here z minus of 1 minus 1 minus 1 upon z minus 1. Now here we taking minus 1 common from the denominator of first term, then we get 1 minus of z minus 1 and write down second term as it is. In next step we write down this term in the numerator with negative index and expand by using binomial. Therefore, minus 1 into, now here again negative sign, 1 minus of this z minus 1 we consider as x. Therefore, 1 plus x plus x square, that means z minus 1 whole square and so on. All terms are positive, 1 upon z minus 1. This is the required answer for second condition. That means here less than one value we have to get complete series, Lorentz series in terms of z minus 1. In first condition the complete series in terms of 1 by z and z by 2 term. That means same function we can express in different term by using the different condition. This is the application of Lorentz series. Thank you, students.